Hi guys, this time I made a TV effect tutorial without plugins in After Effects. Create a new composition, then drag your footage into it. Add an adjustment layer by right-clicking on the timeline. New, Adjustment Layer. Select Adjustment Layer. Then add a noise effect. Set the amount of noise to your liking, e.g. 1020. Then add the Venetian Blinds effect with my following settings. Add wave warp effect. You can follow my settings or whatever. If black lines appear on the side of the footage due to distortion, there are two solutions: zoom the footage layer a little, scale, or add motion tile. Create a new white solid layer. Use the mask tool or press Q to create a mask. Add fast box blur with blur radius 17 and iterations 8. Change the blending mode of the solid to add. Press T on the keyboard, lower the opacity. Add motion tile. Then activate keyframe on tile center. Move the position of tile center so that the line moves down. Optional steps. Add visual effects to taste such as glow, brightness, contrast, curves, and others. For example, I added hue/saturation, set master saturation to -100 to make it grayscale. And added brightness and contrast, adjust for stronger shades. Thank you for watching and I hope it is useful. Sorry if there are any errors in the use of language. Thank you for watching and I hope it is useful. Sorry if there are any errors in the use of language.